Enjoy.
Hello my friends, here I am today in Oliveto. I wanted to introduce you to pizza Oliveto. It's a signature dish. This pizza was designed many years ago by me with a lot of Sardinian influence because of course it's got the Bottarga on top. And this pizza is prepared in the oven of course, but then it's got a lot of cold topping on it. So it's a little bit tepid with fresh buffalo mozzarella, tomato and Bottarga and basil. As you can see, our pizza is it's not a Napolitan type with a fat edges. This is a flat, sort of crisp, as you can see, can hear the sound of it. It's so crisp it crick, and I tell you what, the dough is fantastic. And what can I say? It needs to be washed down with a little Ichinusa beer, our Sardinian beer. And all I say to you, come and try if you love Bottarga. If you don't try. And I hope to see you very soon in Oliveto. And let me know if you like it. And with that, I said, see you soon. Bye-bye. Mm.